Struggling between resale or pre-sale? Well, that's what this video is all about, and we're gonna discover seven benefits of pre-sale. Stay tuned. My name is Axel Ziba. I'm with Maxit Realty, pre-sale specialist in Vancouver. So let's talk about pre-sale values and benefits. Number one, pre-sale gives you an ample time to save up for the deposit required, and it gives you enough time to save for that required down payment for your lender. Number two, it gives you longer time to anticipate a move, and it gives you a preparation to plan that move ahead. That's a great advantage. Number three, you're anticipating to only risk or benefit a partial of your money, which is 20 to 25%, instead of putting the 100% of your money as for a resale home. Number four, despite of the fact that some people believe that pre-sales, they have a futuristic prices, maybe 20% higher than the current pricing, if you're purchasing at platinum stage and if you're using your VIP realtor to get you that platinum pricing with your choices, then you also get some bonuses from the developer. Number five, you have 7 days to resign the contract, meaning that within that 7 days, you have 7 full days to do your due diligence of reviewing everything in regards to the disclosure, the amendment to disclosure, the second amendment to disclosure, and so on. Understanding the fact, do a drive by the projects or anticipated location of the project, making sure you understand and talk to your realtor about that location particularly and the history of the growth. I'm gonna stop right there. That's a lot of benefits. 7 days, you can change your mind. Number six, you get 2, 5, 10 warranty term for the upcoming projects. 2-year on material and labor, 5 years for the envelope of the building, and 10-year for structure of the building. And number seven, the funnest part is to choose the theme of coloration, the hardwood floor color, the cabinet color, what color you want, or what material you want your counter to be. That's the fun fact. That was 7 benefits for purchasing a pre-sale in Vancouver. If you like this content, hit the like button right there and subscribe for more information. As next video, we're going to be talking about the cons of purchasing a pre-sale. Did I say cons? Is that an issue? Stay tuned, you'll find out.